Look, whether you're selling your house or not, painting it the right color can significantly improve its appeal and give a fresh new look. But as a home seller, choosing the correct color scheme for your house is crucial because it's going to appeal to a broader range of prospective buyers. Painting the house before listing it on the market is a proven yield to the highest return on your investment. With home sellers being the main focus of this video, I'm going to discuss my top 7 picks for neutral colors to paint your house with. So let's say you're not planning on selling your house at the moment, but you want to renovate it and you can't decide on what color. You're going to find that this video is super helpful as well. I also have my personal experience, which I'm going to share with you throughout this video, guys. So stick around to the end, because if this is your first time here, my name is Jerry Pincus. I'm your real estate expert with over 20 years of experience. And my real estate team has helped over 2,000 people successfully move, and I'm here to help you to avoid those pitfalls that are costly. So let's start with why you should choose natural colors or neutral colors. I know it sounds boring, but as a home seller, you want to prepare your house in a way that's going to appeal to a wider range of potential buyers. And you may want to avoid painting your house like a circus, or even choosing the colors that you may personally love. Now remember, guys, the moment you decide to sell your house, it no longer belongs to you. You want to sell it to someone else. So you need to have the right mindset. Now, choosing the right colors that will attract a wider range of potential buyers is the important chore here. So neutral colors can act as a blank canvas, and this allows buyers to imagine their furniture, their decor, and their personal styles throughout the space. And you should avoid using bright or bold colors for that same reason. You don't want the buyers to walk in and say, well, we'll have to paint over that. That ruins your investment in the painting. And now buyers will want to pay less to cover the cost of the painting again. So here's 7 neutral colors that you should choose from. Number 1, white stone. Now white stone colors fall perfectly in line with neutrals when selling the house. These light shades with warm undertones give an inviting feeling and can visually make your house look a lot bigger and more open. Now this is particularly good for houses that have smaller spaces. White stone color can be especially good for creating a warm feeling in rooms with a north-facing window. White stone shades also pair well in different variety of styles. Now whether it's paired with modern or minimalist or traditional with wood accents, it really is a neutral color. This versatile color allows potential buyers to envision their own furniture and decor in that space, and then they can envision actually living there. You can also add complementary colors to it to improve the house's overall look. So consider colors that complement undertones of this color and suit the buyer's furniture. Choose soft greens, blues, or even a touch of blush, or let the buyer choose after you finalize the deal. Number 2, shoelace color. Now this is a popular choice with homeowners looking for a color that steps up from just the basic stark white. Shoelace color is both a light and a versatile painted color that gives a warm vibe to your house. Although this color falls on the lighter side of the spectrum, it does give the house a warm and welcoming vibe. Now this color can be a great choice if you want to paint your entire house with just one color, because it seamlessly flows from one room to the other. But like stone white, shoelace color also makes rooms feel brighter and more spacious. Number 3, warm white. It's different than basic white. When painting your house to sell, sometimes it's the safest color choice and can be the most effective. Now warm white is another neutral color that gives timeless appeal and appeals to a wider range of prospective buyers. But this color stands somewhere in between the stark white and the cool neutral colors. This color can totally eliminate specific tastes and allows buyers to focus on the home potential and that personalization. Now this is particularly valuable for those with strong preference for bold colors or an eccentric design style. But warm white also has different colors of shades. So some lean more towards the yellow while others are a little bit more brownish. Now you want to consider existing furniture and decor that's in your home, and this includes any woodwork or cabinetry that you may have. So consider these elements as a warm white shade that perfectly suits your decor. You also want to test the colors before you apply them onto the wall. So make sure you experiment with samples in a different lighting condition in each room so you can choose the right option for your house. Number 4, creamy mushroom. Now you can consider this one if you want a richer or rich feeling in your house. Now this color can significantly improve the appearance in different parts of the house. Now this includes family rooms, dining rooms, or even in bedrooms. So if you pair this color with other elements, consider warm wood furniture for that more classic look. Even different types of artwork or throw pillows can add personality to this color. However, you may experiment in different lighting conditions and find the perfect shade of this color. Number 5, decorator's white. Now this is the 4th magic paint in this video that offers a unique tone to a natural palette. This is a great choice if you have a lot of existing furniture in the house, because Decorators White is a bit more grayish side and it seems to blend with various furniture and decor. And this creates a balanced atmosphere that helps buyers' furniture fit within that house. But if you add crisp white trim or molding, even white furniture, this creates a clean and polished look. Now, if you don't want to paint with a white color, there are some other neutral items that you can consider. Number 6, light beige. Now this shade gives an inviting feeling that can be a really nice choice for creating a sense of comfort in your house when you're selling it. A new home buyer prefers warm feeling homes, particularly north facing rooms where the light may be a little bit cooler. Light beige, if it suits your house, can give a touch of warmth without overwhelming the space. However, choosing the intensity can be difficult at times, so you want to make sure you have your local real estate agent choose the right shade for your house. Number 7, light greige. Now greige is a color mix between gray and beige, and this is a trendy blend that resonates in a wider range of potential buyers. But this color combination can be a great alternative for those who don't want to paint their house with a gray color or with a beige color. Light greige offers the coolness of gray and the warmth of beige, and creating subtle and balanced environment. This color scheme particularly attracts more young home buyers who prefer an aesthetic on modern design trends. However, this color still blends with most furniture and it maintains a level of versatility in the house. Number 8, powder puff. Now just like light beige, powder puff also falls in the warm spectrum with a little hint of pink with a soft touch, and that can add a personality which goes a long way. Now this color especially appeals to buyers who appreciate warmth and inviting spaces with that soft touch. But you got to be careful with this because the intensity of the pink can use as an undertone. Rooms with south-facing windows can pick up that pink a little bit too much. So experiment with different lighting and then you're going to get the perfect match for your house. Number 9, light blue. Now, a lot of people like the color blue, but instead of painting your house with bold colors, consider using a lighter shade so it falls within that neutral spectrum. Now, this color is ideal for bedrooms where buyers are looking for space to rest. Similarly, that light blue can have a spa-like feeling in bathrooms and enhance a sense of cleanliness. You can strategically pair this color with a crisp white and then elements throughout the house for neutrality. Now this would also include white trim, cabinetry, or even white furniture as we discussed previously. So this combination will create a clean and airy feel throughout your house. And number 10, taupe. Okay, taupe is a color that usually suggested in larger homes, and it doesn't always go well with all homes. But if it suits your house, it can be a versatile choice for various rooms to paint. Now, depending on the specific shade of taupe, it can sometimes lean towards dark. So consider adding lighter elements to prevent the space from feeling too closed in. And this would include light colored furniture and accents, sheer curtains, and even lamps to enhance the overall brightness. Again, you want to discuss this with your local real estate expert before choosing the color to paint, because what's happening in one part of the country may not be necessarily happening in another part. Trends can be hyperlocal, and your local expert can help you choose that right color. And I have seen that experienced real estate agents who've already worked with homeowners in that area, they pretty much know what colors are on trend and which houses will sell fast with which color. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you share it with somebody you know who could use it. I'm Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts. My real estate team is here to help you find your hidden gem and to avoid those pitfalls that are costly. So pick up the phone, give us a call at 843-839-9870. And if you want to know the best updates to make before listing your house in the market, watch this video. I'm going to link it in the comments below, because these updates will maximize your return on your investment when you sell your house and get the maximum value. Let us know in the comments which color you prefer as a homeowner. I make these videos here on this channel for you, so I hope you find them helpful. Consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And until next time, stay happy, stay educated, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys.